So I recently lost 13 orange bell pepper plants. But today I am going to search my garden to see if I can find 13 replacement peppers. So I found 4 peppers in one place. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I see one here that makes 5, and another one over there that is 6. So I have a few more under here. I don't know if it's red, yellow, orange. Not even sure if they're bell peppers, and they're even putting out some little flowers as if they want to start fruiting. So I'm going to pull out just 3 of these for now. So I found, let me see, I think 12 peppers out of the 13. And you're not going to believe what happened after I found all of these peppers that I wanted to fill out these pots. I honestly did not remember that I have extra seedlings tucked away up here. So now I have more than enough. I have one that is not looking as if it's going to survive. So I'm going to replace it with this one right here. This is a nice looking one. So I'm going to take out this one that is not looking so good, and then I'm going to plant this one right here. I am going to put this one, well, there is no need because it looks like it's already dead. All right. Then I'm going to be topping off all of these peppers, topping them off, like taking out the middle section of them. These. I'm going to wait until that one gets a little bit bigger. This one looks as if it was already topped. And I might probably wait until the others get a little bit bigger. But for this one, I'm going to take out the top because I don't want it to produce any fruits as yet. Alright, so I'm going to wait on the others. And this one looks as if it was already topped. Alright, so now I am going to be putting back, I don't think I'm going to put the bottles over them. I am going to put my cages that I get from Miss Kathy and Glory's Garden to cover these, and then I'm going to be using some grocery bags to cover them as well. And family, I am asking you please to go over to Glory's Garden to give Miss Kathy some support. She is a very new gardener, and she can do well with a lot of suggestion, ideas, and recommendations, and she really and truly needs the support. So please go over and support her on her channel. Okay, so let me get those cages, and I'll be right back to cover these peppers, and then I will be checking on them in the morning to see how well they will be doing. The peppers are now covered with their nice little baskets from Kathy, Glory's Garden. As I mentioned before, please go over and support her channel. I am now going to be using some grocery bags to cover these because I do not want to lose these peppers like how I lost the other ones recently. The baskets are all covered now, and I am coming back in a few days to see if the peppers are still standing. See you in a few days. Oh, today is Monday, April 14th. So see you in a few days. It's Wednesday, April 16th. I am going out to use some leftover tea in my garden, and I will also be checking on my peppers. So normally when I have leftover tea, or let's just say anything, rice water, I would just take it outside and use it somewhere in my garden. Right now I'm going to be using it in my little mini garden right here, and I'm just going to pour everything in there. All right, so let's get over to those peppers now to see how they are growing along. I'm gonna start. Oh, was this one of them? Yes, this was one of them. But this one is not looking so good at all. This one is looking almost the same way. Now let's check the ones under the baskets. Okay. All right, so you know what? I'm going to take off all the bags first, and then we'll check on the peppers. A whole pile of grocery bags taken off the baskets. All right, so here we go. The peppers, they are looking just, should I say, fantastic, fantabulous, great, awesome, or whatever descriptive word you want to use. I am very pleased with how they are looking. They are still standing. I know y'all can see them through the basket. Oh, this is a better view. So they are looking really, really, really nice. Yeah, they're looking nice. Okay, so for the most part, the peppers have survived the heat underneath the grocery bags. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm going to put the bags back over the baskets because I do not want them to be torched throughout the course of the day. I don't know what the temperature is going to be, and as the oftentimes says, prevention is better than cure. What is wrong with this basket? Yeah. But I might have to replace these two very soon, especially this one. It's not looking so healthy at all. I could just probably take off the top part and give it another chance and see if it would actually survive. All right, family, so there we go. That was how I got my free peppers to replace the ones that I died. I just walked through my garden and just took out some existing peppers that was in some random places. So if you are growing a garden and you have some of your plants, your seedlings that is dying, I'm pretty sure you might have some volunteers in your garden, or even just some seeds that you sow and you didn't really have anywhere to put them. Just take them out now and replace the plants that have died. That's how I got my free plants, my free pepper plants, as a matter of fact. Okay, now, if this is your first time here, I am the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. I have blueberries. Yes, my number one priority on this channel is for us to save as much as we can, as we grow as much as we can. I also love to salvage and repurpose things. So if you are loving this type of content, please go ahead, share it with someone so they too can learn how to salvage, repurpose, and grow a thriving garden. no matter where they are in the world. I appreciate you so, 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 so much. Thank you very, very, very much to my returning subbies. And for my newest subscribers, I really and truly appreciate you. Love you loads. And I will see you soon in another video. I know you can all see that I did some upgrades. So guess what? The next video might be garden tour. And the garden is looking totally different from what you saw the last time. Bye-bye. Just leaving you on that note.